Hello, I'm Dr. Stile. I want to address some important questions about Brazilian butt lift surgery. One of the most common questions I receive from patients is, how long does a Brazilian butt lift last? Let's delve into this topic and provide you with comprehensive information. First, let's discuss how a Brazilian butt lift works. This procedure involves autologous fat transfer, where fat is harvested from donor sites on the body and then carefully injected into the buttocks. This technique allows for a natural enhancement of the buttocks' shape and size, providing safe and effective results. Now, you might be wondering if you are a good candidate for a Brazilian butt lift. Ideal candidates should have enough fat in the donor sites for transfer and good skin elasticity in both the donor and recipient areas. Realistic expectations about the achievable results are also crucial for patient satisfaction. As for the longevity of the results, many patients ask, how long does a Brazilian butt lift last? Following the procedure, you'll notice immediate volume improvement, but it may take several weeks or months for the tissues to settle into their lasting position. With my expertise, you can expect the results to last for years, if not the rest of your life. In conclusion, a Brazilian butt lift can provide you with the curves you've always wanted. If you're considering this procedure, I encourage you to take the first step by reaching out to us for an in-person consultation. I'm here to address any concerns and guide you through the process. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to the opportunity to help you achieve your aesthetic goals. Be well.